It is so incredibly hot in Dubai that they are creating rain for themselves. Did you have any idea that Dubai is creating artificial rain to battle rising temperatures? You must be wondering how that is even possible. Let's have a look at how this unusual artificial rain is induced. The process used is called cloud seeding. As the name suggests, it literally means seeding the clouds to generate rain. Drones are being used to manipulate the clouds. They are hitting these clouds with an electric shock, inducing the water droplets to stick together and form heavy and voluminous clouds. Once these clouds are heavy enough, they rain water, and this is how artificial rain is created. This is the most commonly used method of cloud seeding. However, it is not the only method out there. Blasting salt flares into the clouds is another effective way to get the job done. Here, rockets and airplanes are used to blast these salt flare high up in the sky among the clouds. The moisture in the air starts to gather around these salt particles until the particles become so heavy that they burst in the form of rain. Despite the effective production of artificial rain, there are several consequences to the environment. One of the chemicals used while injecting a shock into the cloud is silver iodide. Now, silver is a toxic material that can cause harm to plants, animals, as well as humans. It is not just harmful, but also quite expensive. A sum of $200 can generate only a foot of rainfall. What do you think? Given the consequences that cloud seeding has, is generating artificial rain worth it?